A national gun rights group has filed a lawsuit challenging New York's ban on body armor. The Firearms Policy Coalition says the law is against the Second Amendment. News 4's Jeff Preval has reaction to the lawsuit from an attorney representing several families of victims of the Tops mass shooting.
Had the shooter at Tops not had the body armor, he wouldn't have killed as many people.
Local attorney John Elmore says it would be unjust and dangerous to reverse New York's ban on body armor. But that's the goal of a federal lawsuit filed in Western New York claiming the ban is unconstitutional under the Second Amendment. The lawsuit filed by the Firearms Policy Coalition and a resident from Lakeview says the state's ban infringes on the rights of law-abiding citizens from protecting themselves and their families. The lawsuit also says the state doesn't have the right to pick and choose who should be allowed to have body armor. 2 years ago, following the Tops mass shooting and other mass shootings across the country, the state enacted new restrictions on the purchase, sale, and transfer of bulletproof vests, banning the use of body armor except for police, the military, and other eligible professions. Elmore, a former state trooper, says the law should not be weakened.
Body armor is something that should only be worn by military personnel, people working security, or people that are in law enforcement.
Elmore says he does not think this legal challenge will have any effect on the lawsuit that was filed against various defendants in the wake of the Tops mass shooting, including a body armor manufacturer.
I think that lawsuit is going to fail. I don't believe that the right to bear arms that the right to bear arm goes with it, the right to wear body armor.
The defendants named in the lawsuit are Erie County's acting district attorney, New York's attorney general, and the superintendent of the state police. A hearing on the lawsuit has not been set yet. In Buffalo, Jeff Preval, News 4.